Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another video. What we have here, it is my Macys beauty box for the month of February. I cannot believe that we already got 1 month out of the way from the year 2020. It is going by so fast. It was just yesterday that we were getting ready for Thanksgiving and Christmas and all the holidays, and we are now here with February 2020. What I have for this video, like I mentioned in the beginning, it is the Macys beauty box for the month of February. And for those of you that do not know about this box, this is a $15 a month subscription. You are set to get 5 to 6 not full size deluxe size products, deluxe size samples, and a bonus item, usually a perfume. And then we were getting cosmetic bags, then we stopped, then we did again, and then we got a jade roller last month. So for this month, I do not know what we're gonna get. But another thing that we get with this box is a $5 coupon for your next beauty purchase at Macys. Sometimes we get a $10 off, but for the most part, it's $5 off. So let's just go in and see what we have for this month. Okay, so it looks like we're back to getting cosmetic bags, and this was actually pretty cute. I really like this one. This is just like a canvas kind of material, and you got two little ballies here. So, you know, like I mentioned, I guess we're back to getting this, and we also get a pamphlet giving us our product information, and yes, we have a $5 off coupon in here. So let's go into our bag and let's see what we have for the month. Like always, it comes wrapped in our little pink tissue paper. I can already tell you, I do see some repeats that I am not happy about, and you guys will see why. I will leave that one till the end because I am over it. I do not want to start off with the wrong foot. So I'm going to start off with this one here. This is from Clinique. It is a face wash. This is a liquid facial soap. It is mild, and it's for dry combination skin. That's what the bottle looks like. It is, yeah, it's just a clear cleansing gel. It doesn't have a scent, which makes sense because it is for dry skin. You know, I guess they don't want your skin to be sensitive to scent. So this is our first item. It is for dry skin, so I will not be using this one. I will see who I can pass this on to. Up next, I'm going to grab this one here. It is a chapstick. It is from California Clean. Yeah, California Clean. California Clean. And it is organic lip conditioner in vanilla. So that is what that looks like, and the inside just looks like a regular chapstick. So that is item number 2. Then up next, I'm going to grab this one, and I have tried this one before, so this is our first product that again is a repeat. It has been quite some time since I received this one in one of my boxes. I think it was way in the beginning when I first got the subscription, but this is from Philosophy. And it says Purity Made Simple. It's a 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. I really, really like this one because it was nice and gentle on my skin and also for my eyes. So whenever I was ready to, you know, wash my face and take my makeup off, I would just put it all over my face, on my eyes, rinse it off, and I was done. So I actually really like this one. I've used it before, and I really like the way that it works. So I really recommend this one here. And I'm actually kind of excited that I got this one a second time around. Then up next, we have another one here, which I am not mad about receiving another time on the boxes. And this is from LMS. It is the pro-collagen oxygenating night cream, and it is an anti-wrinkle night cream. So that is what the bottle looks like. And I've mentioned before, I've tried a cream from LMS before, and I loved it. These are pretty pricey to purchase the full size on your own, which is the reason why I didn't purchase it myself. I just kind of wait to get more samples in the boxes because it seems like we don't get them as often as other samples, but they do come around quite a bit. So I have not had to purchase that face lotion a second time because I keep getting these samples. And I mean, this one is a night cream, but you know, I've received the regular day ones as well. So that is, again, that is what the bottle looks like. And seeing it against the light, I can tell that it only has this much product. So you will only get a few uses out of this one, but hey, I rather, you know, use this one up than go and pay like $60 or $80 for the full size. Now, we have this again. I just received one of these in, I want to say my Sephora Play or my Play by Sephora box. I want to say it was on that one. And it is the Smash Box. I said it right the second time.
The first time.
The Smash Box. The original photo finish smooth and blur.
You're talking like that.
Blur. This is what happens when Cindy's in the back. She judges me. Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. We have received... We have received a bajillion of these small little sample sizes. My skin didn't go well with these, so it's not like I can even use them. I always end up passing them on. But I'm so tired of getting these. Like, if we can just get something different, can we do that? Can we do that, please? Can we get a different one? But this one here makes it our 5th sample. And we are now just left with our 2 scents. We have this one here. This one, I'm assuming it is our feminine scent. It is from Ise Miyake Liu Dese. That's what that says there. I do not know how to pronounce that. But it looks like this is a floral scent. It says a fresh aquatic floral. Ooh, that sounds nice smelling. Let me take it out so we can smell it really quick. Whoa, came out right away. Does that mean somebody used it already? Ooh, that smells good. Ooh, I like this one. I like this one. I think, well, depending on the price. Let's see how much it is. But I really like this one. I was going to say I'm going to go buy it, but if it's like a lot, then probably not. Ooh, that smells really good. Then the scent that we have for men is the same brand, or the same brand, I guess you can call it. But this one's called Wood and Wood. Wood and Wood. I don't know. That's what that looks like. And if you guys can see in the back, they have some wood. This one says a citrus woody. What? The strength of wood. Okay, let's see what that smells like. I'm gonna spray this one on the paper. Not the scent that I would choose for a man. It's
not the scent I would choose for a man.
I get the woodsy and I get the citrusy. It's not a scent that I like personally. But if you're into those scents, then maybe you would like it. But those were all the products that we got inside the bag. Now, just really quick, let me tell you guys what the full size prices would be if you guys were to go and purchase this on your own, if you like, the sample that we got. So the Smashbox primer here, it is $36 full size. the Philosophy Purity Made Simple Cleanser. This one, it is $36 full size. The C2 California Clean Organic Lip Conditioner. This one is a full size. So this one is $9.50. Then we have the Elemis Pro-Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. This one, OMG. This one is $160 if you want to buy the full size. They are crazy. Now you guys understand why I didn't go out and buy it myself. This one is $160 if you want to go purchase a full size on your own. I don't know why I'm sounds like I'm yelling at you guys. But this one here, Clinique Liquid Facial Soap and Mild. This one full size would be $18.50. Then the Womenson, I'm not even going to try and pronounce it because I can't. The 3.4, ooh, that's actually not bad. The 3.4 ounce bottle for women, it is $106. That's actually not bad because that's a pretty, that's a pretty good size for a perfume. And then we have the scent for men. The 3 ounce bottle will cost you $98. So those were all the products from the box. I really love that perfume. I think I'm going to go get another one, or I'm going to go get the full size bottle. I really like this one. I'm actually probably going to use this one tonight. But those were all the products from the box. Let me know what you guys think about all of these down below. I can say I am not happy at all about this one here. But let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like this one at all? Because I do not. My skin, it clogged up my pores. It made me break out. I really didn't like this one. So I always end up just giving it away. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I do not know why I'm talking like this. So I am all done here. I will be back really soon with another unboxing, and I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye.